Hi friends, welcome back, and if you're new, welcome. My name is Nikki. I hope that you will consider subscribing. I currently upload, I was gonna lie and go through my whole speech and say I currently upload every Tuesday, Thursday, and Sunday, but honestly right now I'm uploading when I can. I am struggling through this pandemic, but more on that later. So yeah, I have two other channels if you're interested. I have a vlog channel, which I always link down below. I actually uploaded a vlog today. Honestly, I think it might be one of my favorite dates ever. It's one of the first dates I had with my current boyfriend. It was filmed back in November, but I just posted it today, the day you're seeing this video. So if you want to check it out, I'll leave a link to it down below. I also have a reselling channel. So one of my part-time jobs is I resell clothing, shoes, handbags, accessories, almost everything on Amazon, eBay, and Poshmark. So if you're interested in like a side job or you've heard of reselling, I have a channel all about it. I'm struggling, y'all. Link down below. I want to jump into this. Today we are talking about Ipsy product options. I do this every month on my channel. So if you love Ipsy, you like subscription boxes like I do, subscribe. I'm just pulling up the product options now. So I have Ipsy Ultimate, which I'll link a couple of videos down below. Has not been my favorite, but I'm sticking with it, honestly, because I just want to see if it gets better. I know you guys like these videos. Let me move over. Actually, I want to put it over here because I just want to look at those flowers my boyfriend gave me. They're so pretty and they're doing so well. So you won't see it, but I'll be able to see it. Okay, let's jump into it. So for Ipsy Ultimate, you get to choose, well, you guys informed me that for the normal Ipsy, that's $12 a month, and the Ipsy, what is it called? Plus, I think you guys get to choose one product too, which that's pretty nice. I've been subscribed to Ipsy forever. I mean, you can go back on my channel, probably 5 years. When I first started getting the Ipsy that was $10, it used to be 10 bucks, you couldn't choose anything. So I think that's pretty cool that all levels get to choose a product. So let's look at these and let's decide what I'll choose. First up, Ciate London. Ipsy BoxyCharm sends Ciate London a lot. That's the only way I've ever tried it. I don't think I've ever purchased Ciate London. Just over the last 5 years, I get it in subscription boxes. Dewy Sticks and Glow. I don't want anything dewy on my face. I am very oily, acne-prone skin. I know a lot of you that are oily tell me that you use dewy products and it adds a glow to your face. I don't want anything glowy on my face. I've tried it. I don't like it. I just naturally have a glow. I can cake on powder. I can cake on setting spray. I still get oily. It's just genetic. It comes from my dad. He's the same way. So I won't be choosing that. Murad Essential C-Day Moisture Broad Spectrum SPF 30. That could be an option. I am a big fan of SPF. I feel like people in the beauty community don't talk about SPF enough. Especially people of color, it's very important to put SPF on. For anyone, it's important. But I feel like a lot of the people of color that I watch don't talk about SPF. And I think some people are under the misconception that we don't need it as much, but we do. Everybody needs SPF. I don't care if you're pale, if you're deep, SPF for life. So that could be an option. Dr. Brandt Skincare Pores No More Luminizing Primer. Again, I don't want anything luminizing, dewy. I have tried this primer. It's good. It's not for oily skin. Or if you like oily skin with a glow and you can control your oil, go for it, girl. I cannot. My oil is out of control. Won't be choosing that. Il Makiage. Did I do a full video on Il Makiage? I think I did. Il Makiage Longwear Matte Lip Cream in Danger. That color is really pretty. It's not something I would choose for like spring and summer. What season are we in? I honestly don't know. Most of the time during this pandemic, I don't even know what day it is. I have to look at my work calendar to make sure like when I respond to emails that it's the proper day. Like, so is it spring or summer? If you know, please comment down below. I'm not joking. I'm asking for a friend. I think we might be in summer. I'm filming this on May 21st. We should be in summer by now. Okay, another Il Makiage product. I'm not joking either. Matte Lip Cream in Geisha. Ooh, that's really pretty. Wait a minute. What happened here? Because earlier I had a brush set as an option, and now it's gone. Man, maybe it sold out. So here's the thing. I saw this email. It's currently 3:58. I saw this email at like 7 a.m., 8 a.m. I think when you get that email, honestly, guys, you should probably choose your product you want immediately, because I guess as they get taken, I think those options go away from you, because I did see a brush set. I had never heard of the brand before, and I'm in desperate need of brushes right now, and now it's gone. Damn it. Now I don't know what I'll choose. Anyways, that Il Makiage lip color is pretty. I might choose that. I'm going to choose a makeup product because I'm so sick of them sending me skincare in this box. The last couple of months, it's been predominantly skincare, and I'm over it. Laura Geller Spackle Mist Restore with Coconut Water. I don't know what that is. I don't really care to know what that is. No. That sounds harsh, but no. And the Huda Beauty Basic Bee Sponge. I think I did I ever do the video? I had a video idea of basically saying why I think beauty blenders are stupid and why I never use them, and sponges in general. I'm just really sad, guys. I really wanted that brush set. Now it's gone. So I guess I better choose my product selection now. I'm leaning towards the Murad SPF, but I don't, because whenever you choose a skincare product, at least I've noticed, it's like 90% of the box ends up being skincare, and I don't want that. So I'm going to choose the lip product. I'm going to choose the Infinity Longwear Matte Lip Cream in Geisha, and then hopefully they will give me lipstick. But just an FYI, friends, if you see that email early in the day to pick your product, probably pick it quickly, because yeah, it disappeared. Let's see, I said I would update you guys on how I'm doing. I ain't doing that great. I'm just gonna be honest. I have been struggling to film, which is very unlike me. I think in the 5 years I've been on YouTube, maybe there's been like 2 or 3 times where I'm not motivated to film. It has hit me hard right now. I'm not feeling that great. I've just been in kind of like a blah state. This is the first time, and I don't want to film if I don't feel like filming, because I feel like it comes across that I'm forcing it. This is the first time in like 7 days that I felt like putting on makeup, sitting down and filming and talking to you guys. I've just been in I need to get out of the house. They just opened the beaches here in Los Angeles. I'm still really nervous about being around a lot of people, so it was kind of crowded, so I just kind of looked up from a bluff, but I did go to the beach. I think getting out of the house, I'm starting to feel a little bit more normal. I've literally haven't gone anywhere in months, you guys, and I'm an introvert. I'm an extroverted introvert, so yeah, if an introvert starts feeling a little down from being alone, it's like, all right, I think I've reached my limit. So I'm starting to feel like back to myself, my energy level's getting up. I have been putting on makeup because I'm still working full time. They just switched to me working full time from home. And I do a lot of webinars where I have to turn on my camera. So I'm still doing makeup a couple days a week, but I just did not have the energy to film. I'm so sorry. I really want to stick to my schedule. I want to vlog more. I think I'm going to start vlogging like all the time now. I'm starting to get my mojo back. Was anybody feeling like that? I've gained, oh, that's another thing. I have gained so much weight, friends. We are reaching the 20-pound weight gain mark here, and I'm about to lose my mind. The gym's been closed for about 2 months, so I've been trying to, even though I've run 2 marathons, I really don't like running. So I just ran a half a mile this morning. I'm gonna run a half a mile tomorrow, and then progressively work up to a couple miles, because it does help me stay in shape, but I just haven't run, honestly, probably since my last marathon, which was last March. Not even March of 2020, March of 2019. So that's how I'm doing. Let me know how you're doing. I genuinely mean that. How you doing? If you care to share, let us know. All right, let's talk about some products I've been using. Since I've been gaining weight because I've been eating like trash, I ordered KFC the other day. I haven't had KFC probably in 10, 15 years, and I'm gluten and dairy free. I was so sick and my face just went haywire because my face is like, what is all this flour? And I didn't eat dairy, but the flour, man, the flour. It felt so good going down and awful coming back up and out, if you know what I mean. TMI maybe, but hey, I don't talk to anybody. I'm stuck in my house losing my mind. I will show you close-ups of this. This is the Clarins Pure Scrub. They have different scrubs for different skin types. So if you have normal skin, oily skin, dry skin, sensitive skin, I use the one in the yellow bottle. Let me go get it. Hang on. So I ended up using, I'll show you clips of me using this. This is the Comfort Scrub, and it's a nourishing oil scrub with sugar microcrystals. Here's the thing. I know some people don't like physical exfoliants. I love it. I don't have sensitive skin. I just told you guys that. Plus, I've been feeding my body trash, so I feel like I need to just rip the top layer of my epidermis off. So I like this. It does have little tiny microbeads that I know some people don't like. I like it because it really does help to exfoliate my skin. And I let this sit on my skin for 5 or 10 minutes. It doesn't say to do that, but my skin just needs help. And it just made my skin feel really firm and clean. I think if you have sensitive skin, you might want to check out one of the ones that are for sensitive skin. I'll leave a link to it down below. They have a different line for each skin type. You guys know I'm a big fan of Clarins. So yeah, I've been enjoying that. Oh, there's a body scrub. I keep forgetting everything. Let me go get the body scrub. So this is the body scrub. I'll show you a close-up of it. It's the exfoliating body scrub for smooth skin with bamboo powders, and it softens, smooths, and firms. I've been using this on my chest because I get a lot of body acne, and where else? On my thighs, because I know people say you can't get rid of cellulite, but I got rid of cellulite on my thighs. Like 3 years ago, I was starting to get a lot of cellulite on my thighs. I made some major changes. I've talked to you guys about this. One, I got a standing desk at work. I think that significantly helped. It increased blood flow to my legs, and I was very strict with that. I would sit for an hour and stand for an hour. Now, if you're new to standing desk, you need to work your way up to that. You can't just go standing an hour. I would work my way up. I would do like 15 minutes standing. Then the next day I would do like 20 minutes standing until I could stand for an hour, and I would alternate all day. Sit 1 hour, stand 1 hour. That really helped. I used coffee scrubs. I exfoliated, and I started dry brushing and moisturizing my legs, and my cellulite's like 90% gone. I still have a little bit, or maybe it's not gone and it's just less visible. I don't know. So maybe it's not gone, but you can't see it. It's pretty awesome. And I drank a lot of water. So there's a lot of work you have to do, but I don't know. For years, everyone always told me you can't get rid of cellulite. Once it's there, it's there. It's not true. I like this exfoliator. I will keep you posted. I've only used it for 4 times so far, and I always tell you guys with skincare or body care, I like to use it for a month to let you know. So I'll keep you posted. It smells so good. It smells so fresh, but it's not overwhelming. I know a lot of people don't like scented things in their like body care, and I love scented stuff, especially on my body care. It has the feeling of like, what is that affordable one? St. Ives apricot scrub, but it's not as coarse. It's a lot finer. I really like it. So, what else? Oh, First Aid Beauty was nice enough to send me this little PR kit. I did a full review video on First Aid Beauty, so I'll link that down below if you're interested in their products. I think I literally reviewed in that video like 25 of their products, but they sent me their weightless liquid mineral sunscreen. I've never tried that. Their brightening cream. I don't think I've tried that either. What's this? Their Ultra Repair Moisturizer. If you have sensitive, normal, or dry skin, I think you'll really like this. I need a little bit more of a punch with oily skin, but when I'm double moisturizing, because yes, I am that skincare snob that will sometimes double moisturize, I will use this. Oh, it says here. Really? It says the Ultra Repair Oil Control. Oh, no. This is the Oil Control Moisturizer. I haven't tried this one. I tried the other one because it just says here it's best for oily skin. Ooh. I will try that and get back to you. The sunscreen is oil-free, non-codomogenic, meaning it won't clog your pores. Oh, and this is an eye cream. It says it reduces dark circles. I'm going to use all that, and I will keep you posted. And the Clarins video is coming soon. Those one brand videos, you guys, take a long time to film because I really try to use the products up to give you in-depth reviews. So I got my mojo back. I'm feeling better, which is good. So you should be seeing a lot more of me. And definitely subscribe to the vlog channel if you like behind the scenes content. The first video with the new boyfriend's up, and you're gonna be seeing a lot more of him on that channel. So if you're interested in that stuff, like boyfriends, dating, I'm moving in 7 days. If I could show you my house right now, it looks crazy. So there's a lot of stuff happening in life. So I'm starting to feel good. Lots of vlogs, videos coming. Don't forget to subscribe. You can check out my most recent video right here.